Introduction to Teams Transcription.
Transcribing video calls in Microsoft Teams makes it easy to review and share meeting details. Automatic transcription captures what's said, saving time on manual note-taking. This tutorial covers both the built-in transcription features of Teams and reputable third-party tools, guiding you step by step to start transcribing your meetings automatically.
Enabling live transcription in Teams.
Microsoft Teams has a built-in live transcription feature that can be enabled during meetings. As a meeting organizer or participant, click the three dots menu, then choose Start Transcription. The spoken words appear as text in real time. Transcripts are saved with the meeting and can be accessed in the meeting chat or via Microsoft Stream afterwards.
Requirements and limitations.
To use Teams transcription, your account needs the appropriate Microsoft 365 license, and your IT admin must enable transcription. Be aware that live transcription may not be available in all regions or for all languages. Privacy laws may require you to inform participants the meeting is being transcribed, and all attendees are notified when transcription starts.
Accessing and sharing transcripts.
After the meeting, you can review or share the transcript easily. In the Teams meeting chat or calendar event, find the transcript file. You can view, search for keywords, and copy information as needed. If you need to export or download it, select Download to save a Word or .vtt file for documentation or further sharing.
Using third-party transcription tools.
For more advanced features or if built-in transcription isn't available, third-party apps can help. Tools like Otter.ai, Rev, or Temi can connect to Teams using recordings or live integration. These services often offer higher accuracy, speaker identification, and multiple export options. Check their privacy policies and choose the best option based on your needs.
Tips for accurate transcription.
To get the best results from automatic transcription, ensure participants speak clearly and minimize background noise. Use quality microphones and ask speakers to avoid talking over each other. Check transcripts afterwards for errors, especially with technical terms or names, and make corrections as needed before sharing.
Conclusion and next steps.
Automatically transcribing Microsoft Teams calls makes it simple to keep accurate records and revisit important discussions. Whether using Teams' built-in features or trusted third-party services, you can streamline your workflow and ensure nothing gets missed. Try these steps in your next meeting and see how effortless transcription can be.